Today I am going to show you how to convert percentage increase. So we have to increase 200 by 10%. So for this formula, increased value is equal to original value plus percentage multiplied by original value over 100. For example, increase 200 by 10%. So for this we just write increase is equal to 10 over 100 multiplied by 200. So when we simplify it, we will get, we cancel 2 zeros by 2 zeros, and so now we need to multiply 10 by 20, and in the denominator we have 1, so we don't need to write 1. So 10 multiplied by 20 is equal to 220. So for sake of practice, we take another example. Increase 500 by 25. So we have 25 over 100 times 500 is equal to 125. So our new value we have 500 plus 125. So it is equal to 625. So this is our answer. So for sake of practice, we take another example. Increase 1000 by 5%. So 5 over 100 times 1000, it is equal to 50. So our new value is equal to 1000 plus 50. So it is 1050 is our answer.